I saw this event last year because I came to give one of the speeches. But as soon as I saw it, I said, oh my gosh, this is a room full of really enthusiastic kids who are basically experiencing what people probably see at the Olympics for athletics in terms of that energy, but this is for this kind of athletics because of the scale. I saw the scale, I saw that you have the music playing, the hall with all the energy, and I said, wow, this is something that would be really good for my kid if she can qualify, right? Because I heard you at a 4th grade level. And so I was just really thrilled this year when she did qualify, not because I said, oh wow, now she's smart. No. I was thrilled because now she gets the opportunity to feel this as a real participant, right? And that's when I reached out to you guys to say, hey, I'm actually going to be here this year as a parent. So my daughter did actually use a bunch of the Mathcon resources. She did use it because you see, when you register, there's some, it's like access to these past exams, right? So she was doing some of those to get a feel. Because actually it's important whenever you do something to understand roughly what it's like. Like if you were going to do a 100-meter sprint, but you had never tried sprinting an actual 100-meter, you don't know at what part do you need to put in more, what's the start, all of this stuff, right? So she did that. But I should say, that was her own doing. She was trying those questions on her own because she had also seen this last year. See, last year I just brought her along because she was coming along on my trip and she saw this, but she wasn't a real participant. So I think she had a little idea in her head of problem-solving skills are going to be the most important thing for a workplace in this new future, mainly because AI is here. So actually, these days, the most important skill for a person is if they see something they've never seen before, can they figure it out? Events like this have a competition inside, like there's a competitive atmosphere. But I think that it's nice that this is not too intensively competitive in the sense that, yes, there will be a winner, congratulations, right? But there's also a big sense of joy for everyone who's there, that you're here, you play, you gave it your best go, like you're at the track meet, right? But that part of the competition makes you at least put your best out during those 100 minutes, right? Put your best out. But the advice I gave my daughter as we were driving here is I said, put your best out to discover what you can do. But as soon as it's pencils down, go and start getting to know the people around you. We got a lot of problems in this world. Math gives you a framework to try to solve problems. But then we got to use the human aspect to figure out what problems to solve. In fact, the main message I've been spreading is the most important principle is to try to figure out how to help other people be delighted. We're not super keen on teaching kids like super advanced calculus and whatnot. In fact, I think that everyone just needs to learn the kind of problems you see in middle school math contests, to learn that core problem solving, and then someday when they solve real problems in the world that no one knows how to solve, you can think, hey, I've done this stuff before. I can do this.